This is the BLCKTEC 420, a powerful, cutting-edge 4-inch handheld diagnostic tool that will not only identify your vehicle's problem, but will help you fix it. It's incredibly easy to use and plug-and-play ready. Just simply connect the device to your car's OBD2 port and start scanning and reading for error codes. It comes with a multitude of unique functions and features, such as issue severity, which tells you whether the problem requires your immediate attention or if it is something that can be fixed later. Emission readiness monitor, which quickly helps you identify if your vehicle is ready to pass an emissions inspection or smog check. Live data, which gives you real-time sensor data of your vehicle's key engine parameters. All BLCKTEC products are backed by our top-level support of highly trained ASE certified reps. It also comes with an app that, when paired together, provides a total solution for all your diagnostic and repair needs. You'll gain access to an extensive database of over 6 million verified fixes reported by ASE certified master techs around the world. This means that not only will you be able to scan and identify for vehicle problems, but you'll be paired with the right fix to that problem. Read, understand, and fix your vehicle's problems with the BLCKTEC 420. BLCKTEC. Smart tools for every task.